Every movement begins with focus. In this place, precision isn't a choice, it's the way forward. From every clip to every precise coil, we support more than tools. We uphold every hold that must not fail. Every data stream sets the rhythm. Every machine repeats the pattern that keeps the flow aligned. Measured to the micron, adjusted by hand with care in every turn. At Primera, standards are not just about passing tests. Each part must carry the responsibility it was made for. True reliability begins where nothing is left to chance. From custom design to simulation and shaping, each step is tuned for the task ahead. This is not only a system, it's precision shaped by human insight. Layers of testing show our obsession with consistency. Every glance, every measurement, every data point, they all guarantee the quality we deliver. Our quality is rooted in process, but also in belief. The craftsman's eyes stay on every moving spring. From this factory, Primera enters core systems, automotive, power tools, automation, electronics, offering stable support that keeps the world running. Primera, precision, trusted, tuned to last.